Yeah, I got lift myself. Woohoo, let's go. I don't know. I spent 2 hours like measuring and editing the bindings. So I probably should have filmed because that would have been a really good video to help people out. And what I've realised is that since I started snowboarding, I've always had more heel overhang than toe overhang. I've just never measured it. I think it's because my feet are size 10.5, and then because I put them in union bindings and it's position 2, then it's further back, and then I just line the base plate up with the holes, which is what you normally do, but that doesn't really work because you've already moved the base plate back. So that means you've got to turn the disc underneath sideways, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about that. And then you can center it forward and back. So with that in mind, after 2 hours of measuring and messing around, my feet are now equal. I haven't tried my indoor survival yet. I did both boards. And then the capita, I'm starting to like and love. It's still for sale, but I don't know. I don't think it's the best board that can encompass all of the level 3 stuff, just because it's quite stiff. So I reckon on steeps it's fine, and like medium turns and carving we're getting there as we trust it a little bit more. But the park, I'm not sure, man. I've been doing jumps on it. It's really hard doing jumps holding the camera. It's like a nightmare. So many things to think about. But and then boxes and stuff, I don't know. Is it like it is? There's no reason that I can't do it. Like, but is there an easier option? Definitely more workout on the legs for sure. Like, but yeah. So the last couple of runs, I've been looking at my heel side position, right? And I'm very sort of like it seems somewhat strong, but when I go to my toe edge, there's a second where I end up really hunched, like broken at the waist, and then it pushes through. Now I don't know if it's meant to look like that, but I don't think it does. I don't think it's supposed to. So what I've been trying to do is, instead of trying to fix my toe side heels moving over this other side of the board, I've been trying to get into maybe a stronger heel side position, and that makes it easier. And what I found, if I use my core, if I try and use the remnants of a core that I have, I can sort of keep my back a little bit straighter. So I guess I'm then more over the edge because I'm leaning less back, right? And then that then allows me, when I push my hips through, I don't go through that hunch broken at the waist. I mean, that's what we're rolling with at the moment. I was looking for a spot that I could film like a quick ride guide sort of thing. There's not really any place to do it. Well, I thought about over there, but there's loads of people over there taking pictures, and I don't really just want to set a camera up and start yapping. That's I gotta say, like, it's not 8 hours a day by any means, but some people that send it over there, I'm like, what are you doing? And you hear them coming down there, like, crazy. She had a nice chair for my little, I say my little, he's not my order, he's the bus driver. He's pretty cool. So we had a little talk. He's sort of found me on social media. Like, I had to sit in front of the bus because the bus was sort of full. It's like, I've seen you. And I was like, oh, have you? He goes, yeah, on social. It's like, oh yeah, I do a snowboarding thing. So that's cool. Had a little chat about golf. So maybe on the next shut day we can might go to the driving range and do a little bit of golf. So that'd be cool. Could be a video in itself, you never know. I have no idea what run I'm going to do. We're not even halfway through the day and I'm just like, I'm doing the same run. But I'm practicing. I'm getting better at snowboarding, right? Every run I do, I get 0.1% better. I mean, that would be cool if I was. Anyway, we gotta go. Well, I'm near resorts where you can see the sea. I don't like the videos at the start, and I'm like, goggles gone. thing in the cool. So this is bad one. That is more upright, towards over engage. We'll look at it and see what happens. But from this one, I push the hips forward, I go through that little shitty position. Whereas if I go like that, I push forward, a little bit easier for me to push those hips. A little bit. Yeah, we'll turn the ball, but it doesn't keep happening. Straight up. Take off. That's nice, good lunch, I like it. We'll pick up on these legs to go. Maybe we'll try the right hand side because that's what's done like that. Here, backwards.